Welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the first half of April. Inj 3.0, the largest Inj tokenomics update so far. Omni, ENA W AIRDROPS. Learn all the details about these airdrops for the Injective community. Injective ecosystem updates. Helix, BlackPanther, Mito Finance, DojoSwap, Ninza, Ninja Blaze, Galxe campaigns, and more. New Injective dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now for today's top stories. The Inj 3.0 tokenomics upgrade was shared in the Injective forum, with the on-chain voting starting on the 19th of April. The goal of this proposal is to decrease the inflation rate of Inj over the next 2 years. The process will be via adjustments every quarter for the lower and upper inflation parameters, going from the current range of 5 to 10% to 4 to 7% after 2 years. In addition to this, the inflation rate change will also be increased from 0.1 to 0.5, so that inflation can more rapidly react and adjust to the staking ratio changes. The goal of Inj 3.0 is to create a more deflationary asset. The upper and lower inflation parameters are related to the Inj staking ratio. When more Inj is staked, the inflation decreases. And when less Inj is staked, then the inflation increases to encourage more staking, a higher staking ratio, and hence a higher security. The growth of the Injective ecosystem is leading to larger token burns. For example, there was a recent burn of over 9,000 Inj, which is one of the largest Inj burns so far. Moreover, the next burn was even higher at over 11,000 Inj burned. In total, over 5.8 million Inj have been burned so far. Some additional milestones were achieved as well, with over 555 million on-chain transactions and over 65 million blocks produced so far. Helix announced some new pre-launch futures and spot markets. In terms of pre-launch futures, Helix announced a listing of the Omni pre-launch futures, which means that the Omni perps market is available on Helix for traders before its official launch on Binance. Helix also listed 2 new spot markets, ENA/USDT and W/USDT. ENA is Athena's Labs governance token, and W is the native and governance token of Wormhole. Helix became the first exchange within the Cosmos ecosystem to support the ENA/USDT spot market with limit orders. Omni Network announced that 1,585 addresses holding Ninja NFTs are eligible for the Omni Genesis airdrop. In particular, a total of 2.5% of the Genesis airdrop, or 75,000 Omnis, allocated for the Ninja's NFT holders. Omni Network highlighted the strong relationship with Injective. For example, Injective being the first project to onboard to the Open Liquidity Network, which is a community-driven approach to building an integrated ecosystem of assets using both the XERC20 and XERC721 standards. A new vault was launched on Mito, the ENA vault. ENA is the governance token of Athena Labs, a synthetic dollar protocol. The APY in the ENA vault is around 50%, and the TVL has already reached over $125,000. BlackPanther mentioned that the public sale of the Black token will be done on 3 different Injective launchpads: Mito and DojoSwap launchpads, and also in the BlackPanther launchpad. The token sale was from the 17th to the 19th of April. Wormhole previously mentioned that 81% of the W airdrop was for on-chain use of different protocols, including Injective, and the snapshot for eligibility was taken on February 6 of 2024. Now it is possible to claim the W airdrop for Injective users that are eligible. Injective users who previously earned Athena Labs shards may be eligible now to also claim and receive Athena's governance token ENA. You should follow only the official link indicated here. The Ninza mainnet was launched. Ninza is an on-chain GameFi built on Injective. An important highlight is that by participating in this game, you could earn rewards in Inj and Ninza tokens. The Atlas 3 supercharged pre-sale system was announced. Atlas 3 facilitates sending pre-sales in bulk to communities on different chains, including Injective, Solana, Ethereum, and more. In the roadmap of Atlas 3, there is upcoming CW20 token support, swap to purchase via Helix, DEX, a referral system, and more. DojoSwap announced a pre-sale factory, which facilitates to launch bank tokens on Injective to raise funds in just a few clicks. There are some important differences between the pre-sale factory and DojoSwap launchpad. Firstly, while projects launching via the launchpad previously discussed with the DojoSwap team and are known, pre-sales in contrast can be created anonymously. Also, while pre-sales are managed by the smart contracts created by the DojoSwap team, users should also study carefully the allocation percentages to ensure that they are receiving a good deal in the pre-sales. Furthermore, pre-sales could be considered as a previous step to the launchpad or when there are no launchpad slots available. And this means that while launchpad projects have gone through due diligence, in the case of pre-sales, some projects might be great, but others no, and hence more due diligence is expected from the users. Ninja Blaze announced a mainnet launch on Injective. Ninja Blaze is a GameFi project focused on trust, integrity, and decentralization. The Injective Ninja Masters Ambassador Program was launched in February of 2023, and over 200,000 ninjas joined the program. The Ambassador Program has now been revamped, and there are some key updates and highlights. There is an increased focus on high-quality contributions, with the possibility to earn more rewards and special Discord roles. When ambassadors are at one of the 5 different ranks, detailed resources and information will be provided regarding guidance about contributions in the specific rank. Moreover, for Cole, it could be possible to expedite the onboarding process. Additionally, the point system and reward pool breakdown structure was also updated, and a new ambassador portal is expected also soon. The Injective Ecosystem Festival Wave 2 in Galxe is from April 12th until May 3rd, with quests of Helix, Mito, exotic markets, talis, and out dApps. Prizes are in USDT, projects tokens, and points. To be eligible for rewards, the OKX wallet connection is required. Moreover, the inEVM launch campaign on Galxe was also announced for completing cross-chain transactions such as swaps, bridging, and GANs transfer via Layer 0 to or from inEVM using Interport Finance. This campaign will end on April 30th. The winner of the Injective track for the ETH Soul Hackathon was Standard Protocol, which managed to integrate a DEX exchange on inEVM. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Biweekly Review. So if you enjoyed it, Ninjas, remember to click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. We are in the top 3 Injective relayers in the last month by total number of TXs, as you see here, and we will soon be in the top 3 by best uptime and performance as well. Ninjas, consider supporting our Injective infrastructure and educational content with a delegation to our Injective validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you, Ninjas, very soon in the next episode.